Hey guys, how's it going? From where we left off, I was trying to show you what was kind of going on with, my outlook on what I want from the project and whatnot. I'm obviously adding audio over this, so this is just me just trying to figure out where to go. I'm trying to open up my command prompts and whatnot. Um, So I'm just trying to redo some properties and whatnot. I was working on installing a pip installer with my Python. So pip essentially lets me pull coding and whatnots into my command prompts and whatnot so I could work on stuff. I'm going to skip ahead here a little bit to me just trying to get back into ChatGPT or actually, no, this is me opening up my command prompt, checking my pip version and whatnot. Um, so yeah, here we are. And this is me opening my ChatGPT, just trying to figure out where to go next for everything. And yeah, so yeah, just trying to pull the coding I had ready. So this is an API code that ChatGPT helped me create. So what it essentially does is tries to get players data from NBA.com. Obviously, I'm not making any money off this. It's just a free project I'm doing on my own for my own free time, um, and I'm just working on trying to get data on certain stats and whatnot. And this is a lot of trial and error because it tends to time out a lot. So now I'm just gonna paste into this right here and whatnot. Open up Notepad because I try to save all of them on Notepad, and what I essentially need to do is paste the code into Notepad, um, save it as a file name that my command prompt can help find and run it for me. And once I'm able to do that, and obviously right here I couldn't find it because I have no directory, so I have to be able to add in a directory. So I go ask ChatGPT, make sure I have the right directory, and it's in my downloads, so I know I need to ask it where to find it in downloads. So I asked it save to download, so it's at I'll open that command prompt, and I'm not the best with coding as you see, so I just tend to copy and paste it a lot of times just to help me because I'm very new to it. So now it opens my downloads right here. So it's going to try to open the API. It'll try to time it. As you can see, it's timing out. So it's going to retry. And the way the code had it working is that if it times out, it'll try 3 times max. If it doesn't, it will move on to the next player. So there you go, got it, but then it timed out looking for Anthony Black. So now it's retrying again. At this point in time, I was struggling with the Wi-Fi I had, and in future video you'll see how much better it'll work. But I'll attach my Ethernet cord, and just get the internet running a lot better to help the code a bit. It's getting stuck. I'm trying to gather stats for Anthony Black right here. It couldn't do it, so it timed out. Now let's try and Bogdan Bogdanovic. As you can see, it's struggling. Struggling. So I'm going back to ChatGPT, trying to figure out why it's timing out and what it needs to do. Trying to ask how to make it speed up, give me different types of code I can do, and it'll rewrite it for me. So as you can see, it's gonna be doing a lot of bug work, and if I think I'll get to show it in action. But I'll copy this new code. Obviously, go back to Notepad. I'll bring that up. I'll show you what I'm doing. So I delete it all, copy and paste the new one in. Yep, there it is. It's the same file. Save. Put that away. And I'll go back into my. So I want. I need to get my command prompts back open. start a new one. I deleted it because it was crashing on me. So I wanted to start a new, fresh again. So I'll go back, get the downloads again. Yeah. Gonna try it again. This time it was timing out. I was able to have it saving to a cache somewhere. Right now, I was still trying to do the trades. That's another thing I gotta fix later on, is to stop it from trading all the time. It's because essentially, like I said, it's gonna be used. I want it to be used to simulate trades and whatnot, and it can't do that without player stats, and eventually the player stats and pulling the data is the first step to this project. And once you get the stats, then you have to train it to be like, okay, what deems it as good, and I'm asking it to rewrite some code again. As you can see, this is it, just it's going right through the code. It's pretty cool. Yeah, that's where I'm going to end it here. See you next time, guys.